Good evening, everybody. Let's see. I think we're golden. Good evening, Sam. I am. Good evening, Rob. Good evening, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Good evening, Kim the Candle MV8 lady. Good evening, Kim. Good evening, Sean. Good evening, Tanny B. Good evening, Kenny J. What's up, bootlegger? How's everybody doing this evening? All right. Yay, home in time. That's funny. What's up, Sean? What's up, Tanny B and Bootlegger? Thank you for being on both places. I think Bootlegger's on both places. What's up, James Bond? What's up, Leah Anderson? How are you, Leah? What's up, Kimberly Harrington? Oh, God bless you. I hope you're feeling better, Kim. You feeling any better? Valen. What's up, Malachi? Good evening, sir. Good evening, Eugene Poole. What's up, Techman? What's up, John C? You're fishing? You're fishing? Damn. Kind of late for me. It'd be like 9 p.m., 11 p.m. Eastern Standard. Oh, well. What's up, group? Thanks for being on both places. You too, Malachi. Yes, last bear. Oh, nice. Yay. Kimberly Henry's feeling better. Of course, Kim. Well, we don't know. Like, none of us knows each other. Still feel for you as a human being. Still want you to feel better. Feel good. Being sick sucks, especially if you had COVID like that age again and again and again. That's terrible for you. I'm so sorry. What's up, Tom? What's up, Wealth Creation Project? Excellent evening is right. Oh, happy to be home. I'm happy you're home too. Thanks for spending the evening with me. I won't take up too much of your time. What's up, Azar? I think Azar did good earlier this morning when we were trading. I believe that's the same. Good morning, Team Lane. Good morning. Good evening, Team Lane. No, we're just getting started. Party's just getting started. Might be hearing a Journey or Def Leppard playing in the background. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, my God. They're going to take me off YouTube just for that. They're so crazy with that shit. Good evening, Paul Carrero. Good evening, Paul. And Johan Soez. And Russell Brown. Let's see this unstoppable trade. Yeah, let's see it. All right. Everybody understand that I'm not a financial advisor. Never pretend to be, never will be. Please don't ever confuse me to be one. Huge mistake. Everyone say yes if you understand I'm not a financial advisor, please. What's up, Amilcar Spizia? What's up, big pimp? Not me, that's you, brother. What's up, Stacy Ocho? Okay, thank you, James Bond. Thank you, Kenny and Asa. What's up, Rhino MPG? All right, here we go. I just left the one trade that was open this morning going. That's a really good trade. This is SPX 500 buy from this morning. This is the buy from SPX. Also this morning, sorry. No, this trade was from, hold on a second. That wasn't from this morning. That was from 12/8. That was from Friday. 680 pips. It's fucking insane. Anywho, and then this is my gold trade, which is probably getting very close to being tapped out right now. Let's go check that. Only trades I have open right now. So just bear with me on that. The unstoppable trade. The unstoppable. I said nearly unstoppable, by the way. Take a look. So this is me writing out a trade yesterday. And I said, for everyone, blah, 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 do this trade. And then I copied it and redid it again today. And then what do you know? Stevie did the trade today. You mean this one? Says Stevie D. This is our Discord, by the way. And yes, that's the one I mean. Okay, so here you go. It says in my write-up yesterday, and I copied it again today in the Discord. If you're having trouble making a correct trade, this goes for experienced traders or newbies, please only take trades that form exactly like today. NAS, SPX, US 30, 15-minute, 1-hour trades. Either buy stops like today or sell stops. And yes, I called these trades before they happened, blah, blah. You all know that. If you understand this trade, please speak up. Bri and I will never cease trying to help each and every one of you kick ass with the system. God bless Kev Bri. So what is this? Well, I don't know. It looks like Stevie D caught the trade. There it is. Buy stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Buy stop. 15 minutes. Gee, I wonder if anyone wrote that out this morning. I think a few of you here with that. My favorite, we were doing 1-minute sell stops early on, as usual, as yesterday and Friday, same thing. Favorite turned into a 15-minute, 1-hour buy stop. And boy, did we make some money. On Nadex, Tracy would be proud. And also, I might just my regular MetaTrader 4, the one account I have left. Well, I have 3 active accounts with Eagle FX, but just one has any kind of money in it. So there you go. So what is this trade? That I speak so highly of. Good evening, Martin Griffiths. Good evening, Martin. Good evening, Dr. Matt Spangler. Good evening, David B. Good evening, Valine again, Tanny again. Good evening, Isara. I'm not sure I'm saying that right. All right, so what is the trade then? Let's go over it. Seems to be that we were doing some stuff today. Totally bank on my knockout. Totally made bank on my knockout. Nice, Team Lane. How many do you trade at once, Team Lane? I'm liking the number 5, and I'm liking the number 10. With 10 of them, I can pull off about a $2,000 trade, 2 to 4,000 anyway, 2 to 3,000. But with 5, I feel very comfortable. I just like it because I'm able to, get that. I don't know. It's just like an easier movement for me. Not as big as swings, but that's me. For the week. Boom. I need to get my auctioneer in here, actually. Sorry about that. What's up, Maxwell? Good evening, sir. You normally do 10. Yeah, I can see why. My brother's fooling around with 3s and 5s, but I kind of like that 5s and 10s, to be honest with you. Good evening, Annie Apple. All right, so the trade and how to do that and how to make it work for you. Let's go over it. You're going to love it. It happened for 3 days in a row. Let me be exact to you. This exact same trade I'm going to teach you happened Friday, happened Monday, and happened again today. Happened Friday, happened Monday, and happened again today. So am I clear on that? Let's see. Let's see how Kev traded that. Happened Monday, I got in right here. Happened today, I got in right here. Those green dashes are my ins. G looks pretty damn good. Yep, looks really good today. I caught the very bottom on that one. I'm very proud of that. And there you go. So how did I catch these 2 out of these 3 trades? I was in this trade. Oh my God, I'm doing the wrong thing. I got in Friday, I got in today. I didn't make yesterday, my bad. This is my entry on Friday. Oh, I'm tired, sorry. And you know what? My vision is horrible. I got to be honest with you. I'm going to have to start with fucking glasses. And it pisses me off when I do my trading with you guys. Oh, well, it is what it is. What's up, Amy Lou? Good evening, Amy. Good evening, Cashew. Good evening, Abil Cashew. Good evening, Abil. Oh, thanks for being on both, Abil. Can't see it on TikTok. Really? You guys can't see TikTok right now? Looks like you can. Looks like it's live. Looks pretty good. Can you guys see TikTok? If not, I apologize. I thought you could. Looks really good. I can. Yes, I can. Yes. Oh, okay, cool. What's up, Kenny G? Kenny J. Kenny G. You play the saxophone, Kenny G? Techman, I'm on both. Techman, it's okay. Oh, okay, cool. What's up, Raider Trader? Ore, good evening, Ore. Nabil says I can't. Okay, cool. Well, I don't know. Because I can, usually if I don't see it, you guys can't see it, but it looks like you can see it. All right. Now, better on the other one. Fine here for me. Yeah, it is better on. The sound is, well, the sound is quicker on TikTok. The video is better on YouTube. So, however that works out for you. Raider Trader. What's up, Techman? All right. So here we go. It happened Monday, Friday. Oh, God. It happened Monday, and it happened today. Those are the 3 days. So let's go over these trades and how they were occurring and how it happened. First thing I do, and one of the members said this morning got a gift certificate to Amazon, hopefully. I forgot to mention that, but I don't know what they ended up doing. We got a gift certificate today because they understood the exact way I trade. Does it matter? Nope. You can trade any way you want. Does it seem to work for me? Well, I'm pretty okay at trading, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you yes. Very first thing I do is what, everybody? How many times have I said this? The very first thing I do to get ready for trading, to do trading is what? Anybody at all? Thank God. Correct, Lock. What's up, Lock? How you been doing, bro? Thank God. Thank you, Azar. Correct. The next thing I do. Yes, Kimberly Harrington, that is correct. You been okay, buddy? Good. Lock. Yes, Amy Lou, that is correct. The next thing I do, actually, I'm doing it right now as you speak. I did 2 hours of treadmill cardio walking. I should have my EWAT on. But then I'll do all of my, I'm doing treadmill right now as I'm talking to you. It's going to be funny. I'll probably end up walking like some days 3, 4, 5 hours on the treadmill when I do my lives with you guys. How funny as fuck is that? What's up, Jay Parker? Yes, Dale. Yes, Johan. Yes, Bradley. Yes, Amy Lou. Yes, Kim. Yes, Kim. That's correct. Good evening, Jerez. Attitude of gratitude. Correct, Team Lane. Tony Robbins 101. Anywho, then I do my Wim Hof after I thank God. I was really tired this morning when I got up. I slept good. And then I go on and I look at my H&H scanner. Whether you guys have it or not is irrelevant. It is the most important piece of, in my opinion, the trading I can do. So I look right here. I look at this scanner, and the main thing I'm looking for, like this morning, was I think was NAS turned red, then SPX and US 30 was last. That's an easy sell stop. I fully suspected to do this again tonight. And as a matter of fact, I think they got to come out with some bullshit news pretty soon and then make this all fall to the 5-minute, 15-minute, and 30-minute. I think we're going to see at least the 1 minute and 5 minute tomorrow turn red. But either way, right now there's jack shit. It just refreshed itself. So I'm going to wait for these to turn red overnight. I'll take the second or third one in and do a sell stop on it, including, if I can, some Nadex options. Well, the knockouts options, version of. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. But right now it's jack shit. All this is telling me is these are going to have to turn red or go down towards their blue line. It's called trading to the blue line. So I'm going to stick with this. I'll determine if it's going to be a 15-minute 1 hour buy stop, or it's going to be a 30-minute 1 hour buy stop, or it'll be a 1 hour 4 hour buy stop. But the sell stops are correct. I'll be looking for a 1 minute sell stop. Now this morning, we didn't have that luxury. So none of this was showing shit. Okay. What's up, Matt Parker? What's up, EA8851? All right. So pray. Do all my physical exercise, Wim Hof breathing, red light therapy, all that shit. Matter of fact, if you guys don't know, you can do a cold therapy by plunging your face into freezing water in a bowl. I did that this morning, don't ask. Okay. Then the next thing I do is look at the H&H. Then I either look at the 1 hour charts to get a good grip on things, or I go over to the rules. It's either or. It's interchangeable. If I looked at the one this morning, I can show you what I saw, so we can do those first, I guess. The future looked like this morning. Okay, so this is what it looked like. You can't see the future except for my indicators, which can. So this has been the other day, blah, blah, blah. I went down, touched it, boom, boom, formed our logo. And then this morning, this is what I saw. And I actually called this out and traded this out live with you. So we're going to be looking for our logo. It is a green up logo. We're told it starts below, told to come up with the arrow. First time it happened. Second time it happened yesterday. And then today it dipped down right here. And then whoop, went up. So this is my first thing I look for. I either read the rules first to see this, or let me go over here, or I just pop open the 1 hours and look over and over again. You see them did it here, the same exact thing. That's on NAS 100. And then it did it here on SPX. And then it did it here on US 30. So all three indices did the exact same three times, Friday, Monday, and Tuesday today. They all did the same thing. They formed our logo. So if we look at this, pull this back up here. This right here. Yep. We're going to go ahead and see about our rules now. How do we go about finding these logos on the 1 hours? So we go over to our rules. Yes, I have them printed. Yes, I have them laminated. Yes, I have them memorized. Right? Well, because I created the rules. And even though I created the rules, I still do all those things. Why? Because they're that freaking important. So let's rules. Let me pull them out for you in just a second. There we go. So here's our rules. Right here. Let me get rid of this. In case you're just joining, I'm teaching you exactly how to find pretty much an unstoppable trade. What's up, Lachey? Good evening. What's up, Metal Mine? Thanks for helping with the charts the other day, my brother. Good evening, Brian Claus and Matt Parker and E88851 again, and Team Lane again, Tracy. And Lock again. All right, so how do we find this green up arrow? All we trade is this when it forms on our higher time frame. In this case, if we're doing 15-minute 1 hours. I'm looking for 1 hour buy stops. How do we find this arrow? Okay, is we do this. We find A, B, C, and of course the confirmation with higher time frame D. That's how we find our logo. This is our rules. If you don't see a clear safety trade in 1 minute, which we did, we actually traded 1 minute sell stops this morning, made a ton of money, made good money on that. And then we kept checking higher time frames, and then we kept looking back at the 1 minute, 5 minute, and then right around open today, sometimes a little earlier, sometimes a little later, but today was right at open. The order in which the trades form are the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Well, then after the 1 minutes were done, the 15 minutes started. You may open more than one safety trade at a time. Just don't get suckered into the higher time frame. Meaning, if you're in a sell, don't look for a buy. And I'm going to explain that a little more thorough for you in just a minute here. Once you're in a safety trade, once the safety trade finishes, look for, once the 1 minutes we're done, we look for the 15 minutes and they form. This is for Friday. This is for yesterday's trade. And this is for today. The exact same thing happened. If you tell me that the markets are free and open and there's no pattern to them, then how did that occur 3 days in a row? As soon as your safety trade is triggered, you put your stop loss in at the pivot point. That's explained in your training in detail. If you ask me about it, I know you're trying to scam and I won't answer the question. Take profit as you open up 2 orders, close one down quickly and let the other one run. If you ask me about that on the live, I know you're scamming and I won't answer it. Always move your sell, stop, buy, stop up or down. I might answer that for you, but probably not. Again, that's done in your training when you buy the system. I go over your at Mondays at 1 p.m. We do our training, and that's when I'll do that. Always thank God, the most important rule we have. Always do good with your profits, and always have my back. What the fuck? I don't care about that. Just do good with your money. Help others that can't help you back. All right. So we're going to go right back up to the top here. Boop, 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 boop. How do we find this green up arrow? Let's go over it, because this is the pretty much unstoppable trade. Any of you that are having trouble with your entrances, any of you that are having trouble with making a correct trade, do this following trade and you may loss again. Am I clear? Well, I shouldn't say that. You could still be a moron. You should never have a loss again. Whether or not you're doing the right thing in trading is between you and God, and I can't control how some of your guys' decisions are just psychotic to me, but whatever. You shouldn't have any more losses. So what is this trade that can be very, very, very potent for you? It's this. We're going to look on the 1 hour for our logo, and we'll have MetaTrader 4, or we're going to have, let's do that. Hold on a second. We're going to have, and MetaTrader 4 charts are exactly the same as TradingView. But I'll go over to TradingView for you guys. Hold on. Right here is TradingView. Boop. You know what? I might, well, I'll just use this top one. Let me use this. Okay, here we go. We're going to look for that's really annoying. That's doing that. Let me see. Oh, it's 30 seconds. Our logo for SPX on the 1 hour chart where did everything go at? Hold on a second. You know what? I'm going to have to go back over to MetaTrader 4. I don't like the way TradingView is set up, so give me a second here. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at SPX 1 hour. We're going to see what we're seeing. The first thing we're going to look for is the blue line up high and relative to the pink line being low. You can see the blue line right here is high. So that's what I'm looking for. The second thing I'm going to be looking for on all three of the symbols is our buy stop being formed. Price starts underneath, yes. Green arrow tells us to come up, retraces, retraces, retraces. This is our logo. You can see it clearly. First thing I check absolutely first thing I check, the most important thing you can check is the sniper blue line high. If you don't have the sniper, I recommend you getting it. If you don't want to get it, that's fine. All right, so this is accurate. I can only see a buy stop. I do a long-term sell because of that. So now I'm going to look over at NAS. NAS, is the blue line high relative to the pink line low? Yes, it is. Blue line's high on the sniper. That also start low and come up. Let's see. Yep, dip down the same time, same spots, correct. So all I'm looking for, that's 2 out of the 3, and that's all you need to make this trade. This is called the 15-minute, 1-hour sniper trade. I'm going to call it the sniper trade. All right, now is US 30 up high? It is. Did it also do start below, come up, dip down, yep, dip down, yep. So there you go. So now my 1 hours are all confirmed, even though I started at whatever time it was, like 7:30 this morning. I'm now going to go into the second phase of this, where I'm going to say, okay, now I'm looking for my buy stops today and yesterday and Friday. Let's take a look and see how it looks. I'm going to go with SPX. It's a 15-minute, 1 hour. Again, any one of you that are having trouble with entries should only take 15-minute, 1 hours, whether they're gold, whether they're ERUSD, whether they're GBJPY, GBPUSD, oil, whatever. Bitcoin, Ethereum, okay, XRP. The only ones that you guys should be training are 15-minute, 1 hours. Wait for it to develop. Just like I'm teaching you, you won't have a problem. Okay, so here we go. First thing we look at is the blue line high. Second thing we look at unofficially is there a blue line buy stop forming? Of course, you can see there was. Next thing we're going to look at is right here, the 15-minute blue line. Is it the opposite? So is this low? We'll come over here and look. Yep. Here we go. Yep. Number 3, did the pink line come down with it on the 1 hour? Absolutely it did. Number 4, is there a buy stop? And you can't have a buy stop up here with a sell stop logo down here on the 1 hour. So these all confirm, and you can see a fill in the gap. If you really want me to get technical with things, I can show you shit that would blow your mind. Let me just show you one of the things here. Let me just show you this one so you can laugh your asses off. If you look down here, you'll see this red bullshit detector right here. That red histogram bars, that red blob fits inside of here. Look at it. Like a missing puzzle piece. But wait, it didn't just do it there. Let's go back a little bit and see something. Oh, gee, there's red here that fits inside of this one. But it gets better. It's like the Ginsu knives. Watch. Right here. Okay, right. Oopsie, don't want to go too far. Right here. These red, or this red, fits inside of that one. So for those of you who've never heard of the missing puzzle piece, good evening, Rory. What's up, buddy? 7s for everyone that sees that when it's the proper buy stop or sell stop, you'll see the bullshit detector when it shows you, which is red, will fit inside of these ones down here. 7s or no. What's up, Adam Knapp? What's up, David Gresbeck? I haven't seen you in a while, David, I don't think. Yeah, we're up on that stuff too, Sid. We don't stop to talk about all the hell stuff, Sid. That's cute. All right. Here's another thing you guys are going to notice. Watch this one right here. You'll notice this turned red. What does red mean in our line of work here, guys? Does red mean up or down? Good. I see sevens on everybody. Good. Good evening, Kim Bernard. Does red mean up or down in our business? Down, down, down. Anyone on TikTok know what it means? Just one person, please. D. Thank you, Groot. I know he's answering over there too. He's answering both places. All right. Now, if that's the case, then let's take a look at something really cool. And I'm going to teach you even more advanced technique than I usually teach you guys. So, price is green, so that means up. Price is red, it means down. Price is green, it means up. Price is red, it means down. When it forms close like this on the 15-minute, this is your second leg of a W, and you will make money if you wait to get into the second one and not the first. Want me to blow your mind on that? I'll repeat it again. It does it again. It does it again. There that is. There it is. That's on SPX. Let's see if it did it on NAS. Right here, you can see it clearly. Red, green, red. There's the pattern. Here it is again. A whole bunch of red, green, reds. Right? Here it is again. Red, green, red. If you wait for the second leg of the W, you will make more money and you will never get tapped out of a trade. There it is on US 30. There it is on US 30 again. This isn't a good one today, but it's right here anyways. It was down, it went up, it went down. So there it is. Did anyone ever know that before? Now you do. Second leg is your best leg. Yes, if you understand that. No, if you do not. So I'm teaching you some more things even after being with you guys for a year and a half. I'm letting out a little bit more of my knowledge to you. I don't want to confuse anyone, but yeah, that is your answer. It works for the N, for the M also. And sometimes you'll see triple bottoms. Sometimes you see double bottoms. But if you're getting tapped out, see the first one shot up. You should have been out of the fucking trade and made your money. But if you're getting tapped out, wait for the second one and look. Bingo, boppo, bango. There it is. Now, how fucking cool is that? Does everybody think that's pretty fucking cool or no? Does everyone understand the part about putting it in the missing puzzle piece? Yes or no? Because I'm about to teach you guys something else too on top of it. Wow, I'm full of golden nuggets. I'm full of shit today. How about that? Amy Lou says amazing. Very cool, says Brian Collins. Yeah, isn't that fucking cool, Amy Lou? Isn't that cool? Yes to all. BL Cashew. Watch, here comes some more truth bombs for you guys. Right here, I happen to tag this bottom one. I tagged this. They say you can never catch a falling knife, well, except for today, evidently. Because on on SPX 500, I caught the bottom of this trade. How in the living fuck did I do it? Well, because of a couple of knowledgeable things. It went down, right? It went down. Boom. See it? And it touched. It reached down and touched. Well, let's take a look at something. This 1 hour, right? 1 hour, 15-minute buy stop. Let's go right here and look at your 1 hour. It's right there, right? This is a 1 hour buy stop. Well, from this line forward, watch what happens. And this is what you guys all have to start to be a little more patient on, I swear to goodness. From this line forward right here, let me get rid of this one, watch. Here's some more truth bombs for you. You guys aren't going to be able to handle them. I don't understand. What did he say? This isn't part of the system. There was a nice W at the bottom. Correct. No, the 15-minute 1 hours. Yes, correct. It is Paul Carrero. Exactly what I taught you before. Amacar says you to bomb. All right, here we go. Watch. From this pink line forward, off of our 1 hour, you will ultimately see, watch, here it is. You will see a 30-minute buy stop. Here it is. 30-minute fill in the gap, buy stop, but it's a buy stop. Then if you go down to the 15-minute, you will see, look. You will see a 15-minute buy stop right where it's supposed to be, by the way. And wait, after that 30-minute, you could have entered in twice. After the 1 hour, you could have entered in twice. Why don't we look at the 5-minute and see what that looks like? Oh, gee, we have a 5-minute. This is an advanced. You guys aren't ready for that one. We have a 5-minute broken Bach, right? And some fill in the gaps. But what does the 1 minute look like? Oh, I don't know. Let's take a look. From the pink line forward. So say you missed the 1 hour. Say you missed the 30-minute. Say you missed the 15-minute. Say you couldn't see what the 5-minute looked like because you're not advanced enough. Then let's look over here. Is this a, look at this. Is this a buy stop, sniper, buy stop with a broken Bach? Yep. You could have missed all the other entries and still caught this one. What if you missed that one? Here's your sniper entry. Green, 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 red, broken Bach. A broken Bach's worth 1 million trade confirmations. Buy stop again. Buy stop, fill in the gap. Buy stop, fill in the gap again. Fill in the gap, fill in the gap. You could have entered on those. Buy stop here. Look at your sniper entry again. You could have opened up 2 more trades. You could have literally, look at all the trades you could have going. Listen and listen well on this. It's absolutely insane what you could have done. Look at them all. Pop, 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 pop. Again and again and again. First one's always the best. So you could have entered in off the 1 hour like I did. If you don't understand that, you could have entered in off a 30-minute fill in the gap. If you didn't get that, you could have entered in off the 15-minute buy stop. If you missed that, you could have did the 5-minute fill in the gap, which is very advanced. If you missed that, you could have did any number of these 1 minutes, or you could have took all of those trades, a dozen trades running, and made hundreds and thousands of pips off of one trade today. Does everybody understand how they're fractals? They're fractals inside of each other. So you can have a safety trade at the 1 hour, and within that, you can have a 15-minute safety trade. And within that, you can have 10 different 1-minute safety trades open, all at the same time. Is that blowing your mind, anyone? What's up, El Cabano? Yep, I see a holy crap. Brian Claus caught it. Metal Minds is how I stack. Yep. Is that blowing a mind? Yes or no? God mode unlocked. So there you go. So even if you miss trades, the 1 hour, 15 minutes, look for the 1 minutes. They're still going to form the 15-minute and 1 hours. And did that just happen today? No. The motherfucking shit happens every fucking day. It didn't happen today. It happened yesterday. Look, there it is. You want me to do the same thing? Look back here. It happened back here on Friday. There's the same thing. There it is. Look. Let's go back and look. Da, 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 da. Let's go back and da, 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 da. There it is. It happens last 3 days in a row. And even if you missed Monday, you could have did. Yes, even if you missed Friday, you could have did Monday. If you missed Monday, you could have did today. They all do the same thing over and over and over again. Free, risk-free. Brian Claus, fucking a man. Amlicar Spencer, Tony. What's up, Gorov? What's up, Joe Biga? So there you go. A lot of you are just like, oh, I don't know how to trade. No, you're over trading. You're not waiting for the 15-minute 1 hours. You're not waiting for after the 15-minute 1 hours to form to go ahead and do the exact same, wait for the 5 minutes, 1 minute, whatever form next. You can literally miss a 1 hour trade and still get into 6 or 7 1-minute buy stops. Because 1 hours go up, and in order for them to go up, they have to form 1 minute or 5 minute or 15-minute buys. They just do. And the sniper is your confirmation for all of those. It's amazing. Yep, isn't that beautiful, Jay Parker? So this is who has questions over what I just taught you, because I'm sure you do. And yes, you can rewatch this video as many times as you want. But who has some questions about that, go ahead and ask now. And I'll try not to jump down your throat and destroy you. I'll try to answer the question nicely. The sniper and Bach are deadly. And here's one that's going to blow your mind, Metal Mind. The sniper and the Bach are the same thing. Watch when this occurs. You guys want to see something fucking funny as hell? Watch this shit. When the correct ones happen, let me see if I can get on my trading view again. So hold on. Watch this. I pulled out, for those of you who have never seen this, I pulled out the sniper and made it into 2 blue lines for you guys so you can see things better. What does that mean? Let me see if I can pull one of these here. Hold on. I'm going to set them side by side. I'm going to show you something really wild. All right, let's see if I can show you. I think we're in the correct too. Watch this. You guys are going to laugh your fucking ass off on this. So we're going to go 15-minute here. We're going to go 1 here. Watch this shit. Watch this shit. This is 15-minute. This is 1 hour. 15-minute? Yeah, okay. Watch. I am trying desperately to use the this, but it is not cooperating. Where's the shit today? I'm gonna have to come back to this one, I guess. Oh my god. All right. I suck at trading view. Sorry guys. I'm gonna have to go back here. Watch. When you see this happen, you're gonna laugh your ass off. So we have a Bach, and let me go back here, see if one of them broke or not. I don't know if any of these broke this week. Let me see. Yep, right here. Okay. Watch. When you have the prop going, you're going to see the Bach break right here. It changes colors right there. We have 2 lines. They both turn to red. Okay. So that's these 2 lines. I don't need to change that color. I don't want to do that. These are our 2 lines right here. They change to red right here. When that happens, we have absolutely, that's why the broken Bach is worth a million things, right? Because when you see this, when that occurs, right here, watch. And the very first time this occurs is the best. So watch what happens, guys. Here you go. So now watch this. When you see this, maybe you'll be impressed. Maybe not. I don't know. First time this comes up, price starts above, right? When you see this broken, watch. The price I need to put these next to each other, but I can't right here. It comes down when there's a broken Bach. The very first time that happens, watch. The blue, this pink line right here is your blue broke Bach line that came down. And then it comes over. And does that look like anything to you? So when this is right here, let me be clear what I'm saying, because this is probably going to confuse quite a few of you. This Bach break is the blue line coming down, right? But all it is right here is when on your 1 hours, and you see the very first time the blue comes up, starts up high, comes down with the pink, where the pink is the blue. When it's the correct one, the pink is the blue. The very first time this occurs with the pink and the blue together, it comes back up, forming our logo right here. And I know a lot of you aren't going to get that, but that's how the Bach, I separated the Bach out for you guys to be able to see when the Bach breaks. That's why I always tell you guys and preach it, that the Bach break is worth a million confirmation. It's going to go up every time because it has no choice but to do that, because all it's doing is being the Bach. You guys are unable to use the Bach properly, so I had to break it for you so you can see it clearer. That's all you're doing. This right here, this pink line that you see right here, is not, when done properly, is nothing more right here, blue up, pink down. It is your blue line, and it is the broken box. Just saying. Kev said, hold my beer. Look at Metal Mind. Metal Mind, you're in a good mood tonight. All right. I don't know if I lost everybody on that one or not, but, you know, hopefully got through to some of you. Just trying to teach you a little more advanced stuff, that's all. There's so many layers to this system, it's crazy. I'm just trying to give you the basics, and then when you guys get used to the basics, I can start expanding, but I can't get half of you to understand the basics, so it is what it is. Don't you quit playing? Metal Mind. All right, 7s, you guys mostly understood everything I'm talking about tonight, or 9, you guys are clueless. And I won't be offended if you're clueless, because I went a little deep. If I feel like I know things I should know, holy cow. Says Annie, that's funny. Wow, I see it, says Annie. Nice, Annie. No, I got on my way with system recently. Nice. Holy shit, Batman. Correct. That is a good answer, actually. Holy shit, Batman. 7, magic, Matthew, 7 to heaven. 7-ish. I agree with Wealth Creation Project. Just rewatch this a few times, you'll get it. Brian Kloss says, keep reading the truth. This is heavy. El Cabano 5 says, thank you, El Cabano. All right. I think we're golden. I'm going to go ahead and just leave you with one final thought. I'm going to go ahead and tell you that I want to see these NAS by 9:30 tomorrow morning. Lord willing, up to God. I want to go ahead and see these NAS, SPX, and US 30. These little things turn red, at least on the 1 minute, or at least go towards it. May not turn red, but I think they will. But they'll definitely go down towards it. One turns red, meaning it's below the 1 minute line. Look for 1 minute sell stops to the other to go towards it. Okay? That's my one little free gift to you. After that occurs, let me see if we're going to see a 15 again, or if we're going to go up to a 30-minute 1 hour. 30-minute. It's going to be a 30-minute 1 hour buy stop, and it has to come all before I would take, just like I told you this morning. It has to come from here back down to here before it's a buy stop again. Clear? And I know, well, I'm just going to play that sell. Okay, feel free. I would do it according to our system, which is the 1 minute one will tell us. But that is the NAS. Here is the US 30. It has to come back down just like it did Friday, just like it did Monday, just like it did today. It needs to come back down over to here. I keep teaching you guys a simple little rule. If they bring these, all three of these up all day, which they did, then overnight they have to bring them back down, which they will. Simple as that. Will they always come down and skip off the yellow line? I wish. I really wish they go underneath it like they did today, actually. We had NAS go below it and SPX go below it. That is your best verse. See this right here? Just perfection. You want it to skip, boom, off of it, but it's better when it goes underneath it like it did today. That's your best. I feel like I should fund my accounts thing, and I think you should, Amy. Amy and Lanning say, okay, so everybody, back to future reference. This is heavy. All right. Everybody, if you're happy with this training tonight, please leave 10s. If you leave a 1, that means you are totally 100% unhappy. Please let me know with a comment of why. Otherwise, I'll disregard your 1. I need to know why I didn't do good. If you're happy with it, you can leave a 10, a million, a 100, whatever you want to do. 100 says Kim. Thank you, Kim. James Bond says 10. Jack Wagon. What's up, Peter? What's up, Jack Wagon? 100 million says Rebel. Metal Mine, I can't count that high. Jay Parker says perfection. All right. I think I did pretty good today. I give all of the credit to God, remember. I don't take any of this stuff for myself. Everyone, oh, you got an ego, blah, blah. No, I don't. All I want to do is help you guys out while we're here on Earth for a short period of time. Help my wife out. Help my daughters out while we're here for a short period of time. No one's here for long in this world. Trust me, guys. None of us are going to be here in 100 years. We're all gone. Enjoy yourselves while you're here, others while you're here. See how things work out for you. Quit pulling my leg, Mr. Spaceman. Appreciate shrimps. You're the real deal, Kev. What's up, town? Yeah, thanks. All right, TikTokers, God bless you. Have a good rest of your evening. Thanks for spending some time with me. YouTubers, any questions for me before I roll? Good afternoon. Lunch fresh for the morning. Yeah, I think I've done. Well, I didn't know my treadmill quit after an hour and a half, so that was 2 hours this morning on whatever we were on right now. I don't know how long we've been on for. 50 minutes. Go about another hour. All right. Thank you all for everything. One more explanation for the 1 hour 15. One more explanation? What do you mean? Yeah. What's up? Yeah, Ashraf. If you want me to go over it again, you can just go over it later. Just rewatch this training video. All right. Thank you all. Tanny, thank you. God bless. Kim, Amy Lou, thank you very much. God bless you all. Good night, sir. Good night, Amlakar. God bless everybody. Take care. Have a good night. Yay. Well, that went surprisingly good. Yay.